Keep your outboard's fuel system secure with the ICE Marine Female Fuel Connector, OEM 394-70250-0, built for Tohatsu and Nissan outboards from 4 horsepower to 30 horsepower. Designed to connect the fuel tank line to the engine, it delivers a tight, leak-free seal while allowing quick connection and easy removal for maintenance. Compatible with a 5/16-inch fuel hose, this connector ensures smooth fuel flow and consistent engine performance. Made from durable stainless steel, it offers excellent corrosion resistance and long-lasting reliability in harsh marine environments. A direct OEM replacement, it's the perfect solution for safe, efficient, and dependable fuel delivery. Choose ICE Marine for premium marine parts you can trust. ICE Marine, premium marine parts from Taiwan. Visit our website iceboatparts.com. Seller at icemarine.cc. WhatsApp +886 966 468632.